glass tint cleaning sprays safely remove dirt, fingerprints, and streaks while protecting tinted surfaces from fading and damage. My today's video is about top 5 best glass tint cleaning sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Windex Automotive Car Window and Glass Cleaner. Windex Automotive Spray Cleaner is a reliable solution for keeping your car's glass crystal clear and road-ready. Designed specifically for automotive use, it quickly cuts through dust, dirt, fingerprints, and stubborn smudges, delivering a streak-free shine with every spray. What truly sets it apart is its tint-safe, ammonia-free formula, making it gentle enough for tinted windows while still powerful on grime. You can confidently use it on both interior and exterior glass, along with nearby surfaces like dashboard electronics without worry. The spray applies evenly and wipes away effortlessly, saving time during quick cleanups or full car detailing sessions. Packaged securely to prevent leaks, it's convenient to store in your car or garage. Overall, Windex Automotive offers professional-level clarity, safety, and ease of use. Perfect for drivers who value clean visibility and a polished interior. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Streak-Free Glass and Window Cleaner. The Streak-Free Glass Cleaner CLD 30016 delivers professional-level clarity for both automotive and household cleaning needs. Its powerful, residue-free formula effortlessly cleans windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces, leaving behind a crystal-clear finish with no streaking. What makes it especially impressive is its ammonia-free composition, making it completely safe for tinted windows and treated glass without risking fading or damage. The cleaner quickly cuts through fingerprints, dust, smoke film, and stubborn road grime, restoring visibility in seconds. Its easy spray and wipe application works perfectly with microfiber towels for fast, polished results. Beyond cars, it performs just as well on home windows, bathroom glass, screens, and mirrors, adding exceptional versatility. Whether you're maintaining your vehicle, RV, boat, or home, this cleaner offers reliable performance, convenience, and spotless clarity, making it a must-have for anyone who values clean, streak-free glass every time. Our third product is Invisible Aerosol Glass Cleaner Spray. Invisible Glass Cleaner stands out as a top-performing solution for achieving truly spotless glass at home or in your vehicle. As a leading choice in automotive glass care, it delivers an instantly noticeable, streak-free shine that enhances visibility and appearance. Its deep cleansing foam formula clings to surfaces, breaking down tough road grease, fingerprints, salt, and grime without dripping or running. The clear-dry technology ensures zero residue, leaving glass perfectly clean with no soaps, scents, or dyes to cause streaking. Safe for tinted windows and completely ammonia-free, it's gentle yet effective on windshields, mirrors, and even stainless steel surfaces. Proudly made in the USA with premium ingredients, Invisible Glass offers consistent performance you can trust. For drivers and homeowners who demand crystal-clear results and effortless cleaning, this glass cleaner truly lives up to its name. Now number 4, Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner Spray. The Perfect Glass Cleaner is a versatile, high-performance solution for achieving spotless, streak-free surfaces across your home, office, and vehicle. Designed for multi-surface use, it works flawlessly on shower doors, mirrors, windows, TV screens, glass-top stoves, and automotive windshields, removing grease, fingerprints, dust, and grime with ease. Its unique, 100% streak-free formula ensures a crystal-clear finish with no glare, haze, or residue, enhancing both visibility and aesthetics. Ammonia-free and safe for tinted windows or film, it can be used in direct sunlight without risking damage, making it ideal for cars as well. The fast-acting formula significantly reduces effort, requiring just 11 strokes per window compared to up to 70 with standard cleaners. It's also safe for handheld devices. Simply spray on a soft cloth to wipe screens clean without streaks. Overall, perfect glass cleaner delivers efficiency, safety, and professional-grade results every time. And our last choice is Unger Streak-Free Easy Glide Glass Cleaner. The Unger Professional Streak-Free Window Cleaner is a top-tier solution for achieving spotless, professional-quality glass at home or in your vehicle. Its concentrated 12 ounces formula removes tough dirt, grime, and fingerprints without leaving streaks, foam, film, or residue, ensuring crystal-clear visibility on every surface. Ammonia and alcohol-free, is safe for skin, household surfaces, tinted windows, and delicate low-E glass, offering peace of mind during cleaning. Designed for versatile use, it works effectively on windows, shower doors, mirrors, car windows, and windshields. When diluted, it produces up to 8 gallons of ready-to-use solution, making it economical and long-lasting. For optimal results, it pairs perfectly with Unger window scrubbers and squeegees, sold separately, allowing DIYers and semi-professionals to achieve professional-grade results. Overall, this glass cleaner combines efficiency, safety, and superior performance, making it an essential tool for maintaining clean, streak-free glass throughout your home or vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.